Oil fumes, wastewater, and sludge are the three major challenges faced by traditional emulsified mineral cutting fluids for processing. They are also accompanied by increased costs, reduced quality, employee health, and the environment. 1. Oil fume, an invisible health killer. The issue of oil fumes is often overlooked in CNC machining. When traditional cutting fluids fail during high-temperature operation, they will release a large amount of harmful oil fumes, which not only pollutes the air quality of the factory, but if employees are exposed to these oil fumes for a long time, it will increase the risk of respiratory diseases and even lead to the occurrence of chronic diseases. 2. Wastewater, a huge environmental challenge. Traditional cutting fluids contain a large amount of emulsifiers, which will mix with slide oil, hydraulic oil, etc. after long-term use, resulting in oil-water separation and acidification. Eventually, these fluids become rancid and require frequent replacement. Each replacement will generate a large amount of wastewater, which not only increases the cost of treatment, but also imposes a considerable burden on the environment. 3. Sludge, the invisible destroyer of the machine. Sludge is the product of the deterioration of cutting fluid. These sediments not only settle at the bottom of the water tank and become a breeding ground for bacteria, but also clog pipes, reduce the cooling and cleaning performance of the cutting fluid, and are also the culprit of rapid rancidity of oil products. The cleaning process of sludge is time-consuming and laborious, and will also shorten the service life of the machine. If not cleaned regularly, corrosion will increase the frequency of water tank maintenance, affect the operating efficiency of the machine, and lead to unstable processing. When facing growing health and environmental challenges, MCM G2 plant-based high-efficiency cutting fluid is the breakthrough technology you need. This product is not only environmentally friendly and efficient, but has also won the Taiwan Excellence Award and Innovation Research Award many times. After rigorous verification, it can effectively solve the three major problems faced in CNC machining. 1. Reduce oil fume. Plant-based formula can significantly reduce the generation of oil fume during processing, improve the working environment, and protect the health of employees. 2. Reduce wastewater. The service life of cutting fluid is as long as 5 to 10 years, which greatly reduces the frequency of replacement, reduces the discharge of wastewater, and helps you solve environmental protection pressure from the source. 3. Eliminate sludge. It is not easy to mix with slide oil and hydraulic oil, effectively avoiding the formation of sludge, reducing the number of machine maintenance times, and improving processing efficiency. In addition to the above advantages, data shows that MCM G2 plant-based high-efficiency cutting fluid can increase tool life by 20% to 100% and significantly reduce oil consumption. This means that companies can effectively reduce costs while improving processing quality. Such innovative solutions will help you achieve the ideal balance between environmental protection and efficiency, and comply with current development trends. This is not just a product update, but also a transformation of the company towards the future. Choose MECOM and join us in moving towards a greener and smarter processing era.
I make the impossible possible. MCM Super.